Hey everyone, in today's video, I'm going to show you how to download and install the Venmo app on your iPhone step by step. Let's get started. Before we begin, make sure your iPhone is connected to Wi-Fi or cellular data and that you're signed in with your Apple ID. Now, open the App Store on your iPhone. At the bottom, tap on the Search tab, then type in Venmo in the search bar. You should see the official Venmo app appear at the top of the results. Just make sure it's the correct one. Now tap on Get, and then confirm the download. Depending on your settings, you may need to use Face ID, Touch ID, or enter your Apple ID password. Once you confirm, the app will start downloading and installing automatically. After it's finished, you can tap Open, or find the app on your home screen. If you don't see it there, swipe to your app library and check under Recently Added, or search for Venmo. Now just open the app, and you can either sign up if you're new, or log into your existing account. And that's it! You've successfully installed Venmo on your iPhone, and you're ready to send or receive money.